This is BB Venture. I'm here to train you on how to make your loop design and how to roll it with your Sinamay. You need your Sinamay. Buy half yard of Sinamay. Then you need you can get a pipe if you machine that you can use to roll it. You can cut a pipe and roll it. You need your glue gum, your scissors, and you can put your comb after using it to design it, or your Alice band. To create your loop, you have to fold your Sinamay, the edge of it. It has 4 edges. Then put it into a triangular form. You can use your iron to iron your Sinamay, but you will not allow it to be hot, just warm, to make your Sinamay to be smooth. Now, as you fold it into a triangle at the edge, then you take your scissors, you cut it from the edge here, then you can see it. Then you can draw it. Look at it, the way I'm drawing it. You can draw your Sinamay. You draw it and draw it. When you draw it, it will stretch. Then take your ugum at the edge of your Sinamay, down the 2 sides. Fold it like this. Fold it. Then turn to the other side. Then fold it again. Then I said you can use your iron to smoothen it if you want, but if not, just draw it. Everything will smooth. Just draw. You can see it. We have made our loop with Sinamay. Now I'm going to teach you how to roll it. I said you should get your pipe. To get your pipe, then what you will do is that, look at me, to turn it, you can roll it on your pipe like this. Or you get something that can turn it for you. You can see it. When you roll it, it will give you something like this. I'm going to do this one too. Then roll it. Roll it on the pipe. Just turning it. Turning it, then remove it. You can see it. Then take the last one. Turn it. will give you this design. Now, this design you can make. If you don't want it to be turning, straighten it back. Then after you have gum it, you allow it to stretch and then fold it like this. You have created your loop. Now, as it is, I'm going to use it to design a fascinator for you. I'm going to make a freehand fascinator. You fold your cinnamon into two like this. Then you cut it out with the shape. You cut it out. As I'm cutting it, you cut it out like this. You can see what I cut out. Look at it, see it. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use it to make a base for this design. You put your glue gum around it to gum it together. You can use your stiffener to stiffener it, then dry it small. Then with your dryer, it will gum together. I'm going to use my glue gum to gum it. Put glue gum around it, then fold it back. It will gum like this. It will gum. At times, you can put your wire around it, but I'm not going to put wire now. You can use your hand to fold it without putting wire. Your hand to shaping it. Use your hand from the center. Use your hand to shaping it like this in the center. I'm going to roll this edge. You can roll it. See it. You roll this edge. You can make it more wider than this. Then take your design. Put your design. This is the base. This is the base I'm going to use to design this. Then gum your stripe on it. Gum it well. You can see. Then take the second one. Gum it. You can see it. You can see the design. Then I said you can make this. You can make your loop like this too. Okay, I'm going to use this one for the up here. Put your glue gum. Put it like this. You can see it. Then put your feather. Put your feather on it. Then we are going to block this center. Cut a small sinamay like this. Then you can see the way I'm folding it. Then you make it like this. Put your hook on. Put your hook on. Then gum it together. It will give you a round shape cuff like this. Then put your hook on at the center where you are going to block. Then block it. See the design?